When people think about Switzerland, the picture that comes to their head is the crowd street of Interlaken, the heavily photographed rainfall of Luther, or the luxury spot of Zama. But there is another Switzerland they don't know. There is a place in Switzerland that is hidden between big tall cliffs. It is beautiful in the countryside and very green nature. Just like to be there. Some houses in the countryside of Switzerland, they are near to the mountain, and you can only get there by a little cable car, and sometimes some of them you can get there by the train, yes, and some of them also you can get there by a small car. Welcome to King Strip. Today we are leaving the tourist trace behind. We are journeying deep into the heart of the upper hills to discover five most Britain's secret Swiss village that tourists don't see. Follow me so that you will not miss any of this countryside of Switzerland. Our first stop, we keep our car, we park our car, and we take on the cable car. And on the cable car, you can see all the hill and mountain in Switzerland. When you look down, you see how green and beautiful they are. It's like a fairy tale. Then when you come closer, and you will see the real countryside of Switzerland, how beautiful it looked like. It's like everywhere is being decorated. But that is how Switzerland is. Number two, most of the Swiss village or town, they are heritage. That is, they are under UNESCO because Swiss, they like quality and they keep every place clean and healthy. Number three, as you can see in the video, the grasses are being cut. That is, the farmers cut all the grasses. After cutting the grasses, they dry it and they fold the grasses to keep it for cows to eat during the winter. So the grasses have been taken care of. It's not bushy. Number four is Switzerland. You need to be careful so that you will not lose yourself because of the way you were. It is amazing to be looking here and there, looking around. You will even be forgotten. Number five, if you go to the Swiss villages, all what you hear, you smell is the cheese. Everywhere smell cheese because Swiss are very good in producing cheese. Number five, Swiss have four national language, that is the German, the French, the Italian, and also Rheto-Romanish is the fourth one. Number six, I noticed that Swiss have a very unpolluted air, and even in the forest you can perceive the fresh air, unpolluted, which is very very good. I feel relaxed. Number seven, I noticed that anywhere we go, there's a direction. There is a signboard and there's a sign to direct you. Because for some people that used to go for hiking, or if you lost your way, you can still know your way back. Number eight, walking around the countryside of Switzerland give me another side of Switzerland, which it is more beautiful more than in the city. That is, it is more natural when you go to the countryside, and the people are very friendly. And when you turn around, you see the whole cows, the whole animal looking at you. That is nature so lovely. Number 9, apart the mountain that you are seeing, the green grass, the cows and other animals, the Swiss people also, they are good farmers. They also farm crops like corn, millets for flour, and vegetable also, because they have a very rich, good soil for that. Number 10, I want us to talk a little bit about the countryside. In the countryside of Swiss, it's beautiful. As you can see, the grass are green like a fairy tale. But I want us to know that living there also is not easy, because they maintain the environment. The farmers living there, because most of the people living there are farmers, they have to maintain the environment. So anything they are doing or they get is organic. You can see it's not easy. And it is the farmers in the countryside that supply the people in the city. Well, as you can see, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, follow me for more video like this to come, because more video will be coming your way. Without being told, enjoy your video, and I hope to see you in another video of mine soon. This is Kintrips. Thank you.